And Jamie, where's Jamie here? Jamie Abanseño. Please join. Jamie Lee, everybody here. Yan po ang mga 15 to 25 natin. Come on over. Let's do the dance number here. Right? Yan. Wow, Bernie. Very nice. The youngest is how old? The youngest is how old? 70 is the youngest. Yan po yung Bernie Ganon dancers. Ito si Bernie. How young is the youngest? Ilan taon po yung youngest? 79. 64. Ha? 64. 64 is the youngest. Yung po ang pinaka-youngest pa, ano naman? 84. Wow! This is a beautiful, beautiful number. The Bernie Ganon dancers, the Queen Lola. Bernie, where's Bernie? Sasayaw, di ba si Bernie? Ayan. So Bernie, how long did it take you to rehearse these young women? 2 weeks. You know, 2 weeks with all these beautiful guys. Alam mo, pag malaki natin, we must love our parents, our lolos and lolas, hindi ba? Pag wala po sila, without them, we are not here today. We must respect our parents. Ilan po? 90 years old, right here. 90 years old. Wow! This is 84. 84. Dito pataasan ng edad, ano? Dito naman ilang taon?
87 and a half.
87 and a half. May and a half pa. Wow!
63.
Wow, batang-bata.
84.
84. Ang lalakas nila, hindi ba? Para bang 25. Pag sinabing 25, ito, 84. Ganun pa lang buhay. Alright?
64.
Very young.
39.
And of course, the youngest here is
10.
10 years old. Alright. So, Bernie, dalawang linggo itong pinaghandaan. Ang palakpak naman dapat masigabo. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to acknowledge Renee over there, who is a professor of music. She plays the piano wonderfully. Meron siya exhibition mamaya. Later on, she'll play some more beautiful music by Hollywood Piano with Dan Manuel. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, I'm so honored and of course very delighted to present to you the Bernie Ganon dancers today, live at the Los Angeles Convention Center during the 27th Philippine-American Expo. Take it away, ladies!